bụrụ na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego.
Asịlụ m n'akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ.
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ.
Ma ọ na-ahịa arụ na mmụta.
Ma ọ na-ahịa arụ na mmụta.
Onye welu nkasi obi.
Onye were nkasi obi.
Ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ.
Ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ.
Ọ bụrụ na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego.
Ọ bụrụ na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego.
Ọ bụrụ na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego.
Ọ bụrụ na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego.
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ.
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ.
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ nịga.
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ.
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ nịga.
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ.
Ma ọ na-ahịa arụ na mmụta.
Ma ọ na-ahịa arụ na mmụta.
Onye welu nkasi obi.
Onye were nkasi obi.
Ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ.
Ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ.
Ma ọ bụrụ na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego.
Ọ bụrụ na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego.
Ọ bụrụ na nne ya na nna ya nwee ego. Clap for yourselves, clap! Clap for yourselves! Bullshit, woman! What a mess! It's high time you indulge yourself in education. Because we are in the era of where you cannot fetch water without education. You cannot cook food without education. You cannot wash your clothes without grammatical education. Even in your marital lives, you cannot establish if you are not 100% educated. Do you understand, woman?
Antonia Kuzi, no one knows you will be didn't know Reba.
She didn't see me here, no, can see walk. Look at them. Look at them. And even you. Or whatever you call yourself. A beautiful girl like you. In this 21st century, you are an illiterate. Ngori. To the extent of chasing out those that long to learn. LTL in abbreviation. Long to learn.
And man, no one super in Kena, remember. I'm gonna call the bus.
Look at her. By the time I see the king, even your domestic animals and everybody in this land will be educated. They will come to my school. They will, my children. Good evening, my children. By the time I am through, even their animals, everybody will be educated. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Damn it! What sort of engagement is that, huh? Why will you be looking at me that way, huh?
You see?
Call that shit! I'm not interested in that fucking vernacular, darling. Huh? I've lived all my life in the United States of America, so I'm not interested in that vernacular, darling.
What's goes in? When gonna say now?
Mori, you don't walk out from a man like that. He may be your future spouse.
Antoine Kuzi. O fusi prosupra need net so but the konya kaji kwanki anya mebos.
Insulting me? Huh? She insulting me?
Hi. She is not hearing you.
Doesn't mean that she's not educated.
Just as you are not hearing her dialect, both of you are illiterate and you need to enroll in my school.
Your school?
Yes, you need to hear the dialect in this land so that you can interact with the people. And by the way, who are you?
Yeah, thank you, huh? I am Nigga G from United States of America. I was born and brought up in the United States of America. Okay, as you can see, America is the best place on the whole wide world, but home is home. So I'm looking for on what?
You mean Onweriako is your father?
Yeah, you got it. You know him?
Yes, he will be one of my students. Yes, so that I can teach him how to control his penis due to numerous children from numerous women. Now, follow me. Follow me. Hurry up. Oh.
Ada enwe.
Highness.
Dị ka nkata mụ na gị kpara n'ime ụlọ. Asị m na atụmatụ gị a ma ife a ibu n'obi wee nata n'obodo anyị a. Akwụ m ebe a dị ka igwe nwa ka ibie. Nke mbụ na mbụ na anaghị bụ bagụ isu. Site n'ikikere nke ha nyere m iji bụ eze na-achịfa. Asị m ma nwoke ma nwanyị ma okenye ma nwata nọ n'obodo a ga-akwado gị. Akịdị gbara m ya gbakwara n'nwunye di m. Nke a gosiri na ndị mmụọ ma ife na-achị obodo anyị na ekpere anyị na akwa anyị na-akwa erugo fanti. Ka anyị mụta dịka ibe anyị. N'ihi nke a asị m gị gaa n'iru na anyị kwụ gị n'azụ.
Gratitude, Your Highness. Gratitude. I promise you that by the time I impose my English grammatical aspect of Hoism, the masses, their domestic animals, our land will be recommended and recognized in the country and diaspora. Yes.
Ada anyị sokwakwa ọzọ.
Yes.
Asị m ọ ga-adịrịrị gị na mma. Gaa n'iru anyị kwụ gị n'azụ.
Your Highness, I beg to take my leave. Da da da.
da da da, da da da, da 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 da. Da 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 da
What's up, Damsel? Hello, Mom.
Oh, amaọkwa m kemgbe ụbọchị anọ ụka ọ na-agba supri nọn ka ọ na-arịa.
Nne biko bịa ka ijebe ebe anyị na-eje. Nke ọ na-akọ ka onye jelu obodo ndị ọcha wee ruo ebe a wee chụnata ya wee mere
Damsel. What the hell are you saying?
mana ọ baghị elu.
Damsel. Damsel. Can I talk to you, Damsel? Damsel. Damsel. What's up, woman? What's up? Huh? What does that mean, huh?
I said, let Ebuigwe watch Pugono.
The Carter crowd, I don't understand what you're saying, huh? Please, I want you to do me a favor.
Favor? What kind of favor do you want from me?
Let me go straight to the point. You see, that girl I saw the other day, the very first day I stepped my foot into this village, huh? Yeah, that's the kind of girl that I want.
So, you are one of those international rapists that parade themselves as a foreign guy. I can see you have come to suck and butcher our girls.
No.
Therefore, the Igwe must hear this.
No. That's not what you think. That's not what I mean, man. It's not as you think.
Forget that. I know your type and what you are up to. Don't you know I schooled in Oxford University in London?
No. That was those days, man. Not in this new era, man. Listen, man. Listen. What I mean is that I want to get married to her. I want to marry her and take her to the United States of America. Simple. Hello, are you there? Hello?
Yes. Just that I am articulating on the day I will fix for language interpretation.
No. We don't need her, man. You don't need her. It's of no use, man. All I need from you is to tell me what I am going to tell her for her to understand all my intentions. Simple.
It can't be possible like that. Everything has a procedure. Therefore, you have to subscribe, enroll for language interpretation. And your own is a very serious one that needed strict training. Therefore, I shall embark on heavy research so that this land's culture can never be jeopardized.
No. Can you please cut that long drama, huh? Do you want to speak English but not the English people, huh?
Rule number 1. Don't interrupt while the lecture is going on. That attracts a fine of...
Forget it, man. Forget it. I have so much money to float around, man. I am ready to pay for any fine. I'm ready to pay for anything just to get that girl. Huh?
Yeah? Okay. Come to my house by 7:30 a.m.
Okay.
If you are coming, come with some dollars.
No problem, man.
If you do that, your Igbo language illiteracy will be a thing of the past.
Oh.
It's a deal,
man. It's a deal, man. I will be tomorrow, man. It's a deal, man.
What the hell? How dare you barge into my domain and privacy like that, you riffraff?
But I thought we'll have a deal. We'll have a deal.
Does that give you the right, the privilege, and the impetus to forget your manners?
Oh, sorry. You mean I didn't knock? I should have knocked, right? Sorry for my bad manners. I didn't knock, sorry.
I don't mean knocking.
What?
I mean accusation before abatability. In other words, knock before you enter.
You've just spoken jargon. How do you speak jargon? You just spoken jargon. How do you speak jargon?
You mean my English is jargon? Is that what you mean?
Sorry. Never mind. I have enough money to give you, okay? I have enough money to give you for registration and the fine. Yeah, understand. I see. I'm going to pay a fine. If you want me to pay a fine that I've offended you, okay? I'm gonna pay a fine. I'm going to give you $200. All right. I believe that one will be enough to cover all this shit. All right. But I want you to tell me what I am going to tell that girl. All right. Yeah. Just tell me something I'm going to tell her so that she will understand me and fall in love with me.
Your learning is activated.
They're good. I believe you. Believe you, Mom.
As you can see, I have been researching in Igbo language since last night.
That's good.
And there are some words that are similar in meaning, but with different alphabets. Like Uda, Ume, O, O, U, O.
No. Call that shit. Call this shit. I'm not interested in all these words, O and O, whatever. You understand? All I want you to tell me is what I am going to tell the girl to believe me.
Yeah?
I'm not interested in all this O and all shit. I don't need it. Tell me what I'm going to tell the girl. Simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
If that is the case, when you see the girl, tell her, I love you.
I got that.
Mwa Mamora.
I didn't hear that one. I got the first one, I love you. Yeah, I know that from the start. But the second one is a...
Listen very well. Mamora.
Oh, Nwa Mamora.
Mamora.
Nwa Mamora.
Mamora. She will know what to do. Just tell her that.
Nwa Mamora.
Mamora.
Oh, don't worry. I just need to tell her all this book will be telling me.
She knows what to do. Just do
Nwa Mamora.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just do exactly what I told you.
I'm gonna see you later. You $200, guaranteed. I'm gonna give you $200 later, man. Big
That's
shit
nigga.
for you, man. Yeah, and give me a knuckle. Man. I'm gonna see. Mamora,
don't forget.
Let me be singing it for you. Nwa Mamora, Nwa Mamora, Nwa Mamora. I'm gonna see you later.
Yeah.
Mamora, Nwa Mamora. Yeah.
Yes.
Mamora.
Onye nke osikwa na ogene.
Nna mam kiri ari.
Ifukwa ka o si eme ka onye isi mgbaka.
Nenu go si kwa ikwa m to.
Nwekwa ihe nna ya afụ n'obodo nke a. Ka anyị pụbakwa biko.
Hey, yo, Mom. What's up, babe? I want to have some water with you. Yeah. Right from the first day I set my eyes on you, I believe that you are the reason why I'm created. Huh? Yeah. I came all the way from the United States of America to farm a Maison Reap, and now I believe that you are my Maison Reap. So all I want you to do now is for you to say yes, and I'm going to take you back with me to the United States, okay? Yeah. Now, I want you to do something for me, huh? Oh, shit. 1 minute. Robert, 1 minute, huh? 1 minute.
Hey! Ara dịkwa na nwa.
Nne m amakwa m ka ọ na-aya.
Ara na-apụ ya.
Mama m.
Hey!
Ọsọ ogede efere m na-asa.
Iwe isi m n'ebe niile isi webụrụ n'ụlọ ma ka ibu ebe na-akọ yeli na-asụ sụpụrụ anyị na-asụ. Nne ka njikwa ya ọ maka ike o ji abịa asụ ihe ọ na-asụ ebe.
Nna m asị na m amarụ.
Sorokwa sụpụrụ anyị ọ bụrụkwa n'ụlọ ma ahụ. Na-ekwa n'anya.
Nne m ka mma ihe anyị.
Yeah, Mom. Tell me to stay here. Please, please, sorry, I forgot that thing you told me to tell that girl. You understand? Those things like you told me to tell that girl, I forgot it. Please, just help me.
See it? I wonder how you are going to pass my examination.
Please.
Simply, Mamu.
Yeah, I remember it now. Mama, I'm gonna see you later, man. I'm gonna see you later, man.
Nwa bụkwa na anụ fịọ. Aya fe ijola. Mwakasi ya anya tata.
Mamura, your mountain ball, big and ball. Yeah. Mom, I'm sorry for what happened the other time. Please, apologies. Please, Mamura.
I said I'm not want to kill you. Ke ho na koyeli.
Ọsị m ma ya ụra.
Gịnị na-eme? Makwa na ifuru etu nwora o buru pokopoko ka bulomblom. Ọ na-achọkwa onye ọ ga-anwụnarụ n'aka. Lekwa abụ m. Haji adị ọkwa makwa na ya.
Babe, I don't understand what you guys are talking about. Please, Mamura.
Aga m amachikwa nwoke anya o.
Makwa na.
Yeah, please, I'm serious. Please, Mamura.
Nwere ike ọ bụrụ na nga ama nwoke ya gwụ yore na arị.
Ọkụ ya nwa m. Ngwa. Nye ya.
Please. Oh! What? You slapped me? You slapped me? You're not afraid of me?
Because
what the fuck is wrong with you, girl? What the fuck? Slap me! Oh! 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 Oh!
Hey! Kila mudu mutakile be fa bikum. Kiri haiji sikope.
Mama.
Hey!
Mama ko maro de yawo.
Arụ dị nwa. Ihe ọ na-emedoli anya. Hey! Ego.
Hey, where are you? Where are you? Come out here! Come out here, Miss Lecturer, whatever you call yourself, come out here! Where are you? Come out here!
dare you disturb my capillary?
Will you shut up? If you know what's good for you, you better shut up. How dare you tell that bitch to slap my face? How dare you? Listen, I'm coming back for my money. And when I come back for my money and I don't see it, I'm going to shoot you real good. You bitch. Coming back for my money, huh?
Nonsense. Rule number 2. No refund of money after the lecture has been delivered. Nonsense. Stupid boy. Come in, the door is open. Have you come to make more trouble?
No. As a matter of fact, I'm very sorry for what happened yesterday. Please forgive me. Well, I'm going to give you another $200, okay? Yeah, good. Please, I'm going to give you another $200, okay?
Kedu ihe na-eme na be m?
Mama, Mariko, ịwọkwa n'iwe. Ebolibe niile a na-eme yolibo na-akụgheli ọkwa na-egwuregwu. Amakwana m eme ya.
Anyị mụ nwa na-eme ihe niile anọ. Kịta ka ị bịa nọ. Hey! Ị nwere nsogbu nna. Nnọọ. Nwere nwa m. Metakwa ya anya ọfụma. Ọkwọ mgbomgbo nwa bụ ihe a. Ọkwọ mpompo nwa. Nnukwu ngwa. Nnọọ nna. Hey, nwa na-akpa nka m bịa.
Hello, mama. Ọkwanye ego ji wee zọọ nnukwu ụzọ. Nne m, biko, nwebe nche ya. Achọkwana m ka ibulu nwunye m. Isi wee mama site n'isi wee lụọ n'ụgwọ. Mara mma nke ukwuu. Achọrọ m ka ibulu nwunye m. Ka m gwerekwazị ndidi. Biko, kedu ebe ilo?
Mane.
Hey! Olise bulu ụwa na-eregenenu. Olise bulu ụwa daalụnụ. Nyam. Oh! Daalụnụ, daalụ. With this evidence, I now believe that she is mine.
So, what do you want me to do?
Please, I want you to tell me exactly what to do. Maybe I made some mistakes. You know, the language is too difficult.
That is why I told you will start from the grassroots. But you will not listen.
But I don't have all the chance. I have to leave this village immediately and go to the school.
To make money from this idiot.
Anyway, go and convince her that you want to marry her. You are the reason she slapped you. Keep your hand calm and tell her, Nwa mamora makemopo. Immediately she hears that, she will jump on you like she did in that dream, so that Igamu Ikenala.
Wow. Ima what? Ima what?
Ima Ikenala. Allah simply means ground. So that both of you will fall on the ground like the way you did in that dream.
You are a genius, Mom. You're a genius. Don't worry. I'm going to come back to you when it works, okay? Give me knuckle. It's too much. All right.
Anumanu. Iya mu Ikenala.
Relax, Mom. Relax. I mean no harm, Mom. Relax, huh? good. Miss Mindy, I understand that you're gonna be my wife, huh? You know, right from the first day I came back from the United States, I set my eyes on you. I believe that you're gonna be my wife, huh? So please, I want you to accept me and be my wife, huh? As a matter of fact, I saw you in my dream. Yeah, we were making it out. We were playing like husband and wife forever, huh? So all I want you to do for me now is for you to come aboard and mamara. No. You don't have to work out on me. Yeah, it's very simple. All I want you to do for me now is come aboard with mamara. Yeah, simple.
Mama Queen, ya. Asim ke ya kpoma ayora.
Osi gi kenye okpoma anya ụla. Ikeni okpoma anya ụla no kwen okwuru ọnụ ya. Kenye ya.
Nya. Isim ke ego okpo ma agora.
Yeah. I don't understand why it's meant, but what that means, but came up with mamara. Ouch! You, why you knock my head and give me slum, man?
This like kenye okpoma anya ụla.
What the hell is wrong with you guys, man?
It's like kenye okpoma anya ụla. Okay, okpoma
Why
anya
did you
ụla.
give me knock on my head and slap on my face? Why? Are you scared of me?
Akpagari.
I'ma do something to you, man. I'ma do something back to you, huh? I'ma eat you up, man. I kill people, huh? I'll kill people in the States, man. I'ma fuck you up, man. I'ma mess you guys up, huh? I'm not joking, I'ma mess you guys up. Oh! Where are you? Where are you, lecturer? Lecturer, where are you? Where the hell are you? Lecturer! Come on here, man! Come on here, lecturer! Where are you? Where are you, lecturer? Lecturer! Lecturer! Shit. I'm about, huh? I'm about, huh? I'm about, huh? I'm about.
And now is a name of a person, animal, place, or thing. Now, repeat after me, class.
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 No. Do you want to receive a stroke of my cane?
Do you want to receive a stroke of my cane?
Gee ntị. Ọ bụrụ ife m ekwu na na-ekwu o nwee ebe ọ ya abụ nkwuzie na-ekwu nke ahụ. Ọ bụrụ ọsọ unu ife m ekwu na nnọọ na-esolu nkwu ya. Unu anụgie? Good. Now repeat after me, class. Unu na-ekwuzi okwu. Repeat after me, class.
Repeat after me, class.
Repeat after me, class.
Repeat after me, class.
Hey! What is wrong with you? Mom! What the hell? What? Why did you tell that timid village bitch to slap me and give me a knock on my heart? Why?
Let's show you some. Now listen to me. If you want to achieve anything in life, you must make sacrifices.
Sacrifices, you said?
Yes. If you don't want her to conk you or slap you, then you are not ready to be married. And you are not man enough. Do you think marriage is a bed of roses? Oh, no. Marriage is not a bed of roses. Listen to me. Women are chameleon. They can change anytime, anyhow. And if you want to achieve what you want to achieve, and if you want to get married, you must receive insults. Huh? Do I make myself clear? You must receive insults.
Was that why you asked me to embarrass me?
Yes.
What for?
Yes. And you have to take it if you want to achieve what you want to achieve. Now listen to me. If you are ready, to do what I asked you to do, then come to my class tomorrow. As for now, I will take my leave because I am annoyed. You annoy me. I cannot take that rubbish. I'm leaving.
Why would that go give me cock on my head and slap on my face? Why? I don't understand. What the hell is wrong with them? But, wait. Think. I'm do it. Yeah. She might be right. Yeah, and the South.
How are you, nigga?
I'm fine. I'm fine, lecturer. Please, I am sorry for everything. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give you $500,000 for your school project, huh? And I'll be helping you financially from time to time, okay?
Well done, nigga. In fact, today is your lucky day.
Wow.
Today is your day.
Uh-huh.
Whatever you wish, you shall have. Just go to the class and wait for me.
Oh, thank you so much. I'll be waiting for you. Yeah.
Are you people not coming to school today?
It's Papa Kisiasu. I don't know if you're so.
Ask him.
Oh, I feel as if I didn't know you didn't hear us. I don't go to now. You never find it if I'm on one. For one, we will have if any. When you could say I got a pocket out. Oh, and what am I going to do? Just what they were. How is it also? No, Bill, I saw you, but not here, can't make it on those and you. He ain't none of them gonna ask to be gay. Come on, I'm going to chat.
Hey! Stop there. If not that someone has paid for your late coming and absenteeism, I will have asked you to kneel down here. Ask him, no bu no nwere n'onya kwụlụ gị ụgwọ abịalụ n'oge. Aka m agwa gị, ị bịa sekpula anị n'iru mmadụ ncha. Will you marshal inside my class and stop asking me stupid questions? Sit down. Now, we are done with our domestic animal. Class, we have a wonderful lesson today that touches on relationship. It is going to be about love. Say love. Love. No. I said love. Love. Not love. 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 Good. According to our Oxford Dictionary, love has so many characteristics. Like affection, romantic, enjoyment, friendly, etc. And so on. But we are going to talk about the romantic aspect of it. Love is a strong feeling of affection that you are sexually attracted to. It may be referred as I am in love with her. We are going to do the practical aspect now. Mbori, stand up. Nigga,
With love, Mom.
stand up.
With love, Mom.
Stand up. Mbori, now say to nigga, I love you.
Say to nigga, I love you.
No.
Talk to me.
I said, say to nigga, I love you.
I said, say to nigga, I love you.
Mbori, don't say to nigga. Don't just say to nigga.
To me, the Ray, man. To me, the
Nigga,
Ray.
I
The red.
love you.
Just say to nigga, I love you.
Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Listen, look at nigga. Now nigga.
Yeah, man.
Say to Mbori, ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
What the fuck is that? What's the meaning of that?
Just say ah, ho,
Ro.
ro.
It's difficult for me to pronounce. What's a ro? Am I playing music?
Ahụrụ m. Be sharp. Be smart.
What's the meaning of that?
I love you.
Is that what it means?
Be sharp about it.
Okay, you know I'm intelligent.
Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Come on.
Oh, you mean? Ho. Ro.
Don't do like that before she usually does what she, you know what she usually do.
Alright, she's dummy, man. She's dummy. Okay. Mean the mahan. Okay, ho.
Ahụrụ m gị n'anya.
Oh, ho. Rum. I don't know. It's difficult to pronounce.
You want to mess yourself up? You want to mess yourself up? Okay. Listen to me and look at my mouth.
No.
Stop doing your hand like that. Just stand still.
Okay, so I'm gonna plug up my eyes.
Before she begins the
Okay. Alright, man.
I love you. I love you. Gimanya.
Mbori, ị na-asụkwa sụpụrụ ya ị na-asụ. Sụọ so ka ije kutere m mmiri ka nzi wee sie nri.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.
Nne m ka mmụta ka esi asị I love you. Ka dịbazie.
I love you.
We love Mom. Bye, Mom.
I love you.
Timid Mom. Bye, timid Mom. Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah. No, it's not I rough you. Back then I was very rough.
Nigga,
You mom.
I can see you.
I'm trying to get it right, Mom.
Nigga.
Get it right, huh?
I have done my part.
Oh, yeah.
It's now left for you to do your part.
Oh.
So finish it.
Yeah, man. Please, Mom.
Na da da.
I love Mom. I love Mom.
Gimana
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah. I love you. You understand? I fucking love you, man.
I love you.
Gay.
Mama.
Yeah. You know what? You know you're a beautiful girl, man. I'ma brush you up.
Huh?
Yeah, a timid, beautiful girl, but I'ma brush you up real good. Don't worry. You might not understand me, but I'ma brush you up real good.
Ew.
Huh? Come on, man. Let's be going, huh?
Mama. I love you.
Yeah, you doing? Oh.
Gimana
Yeah.
I love you.
Correct, man. Oh.
Gimana
Yeah.
I love you.
You know the fathers that I'm beginning to love you, huh? I'm beginning to love you like all the stars. Beginning to love you real good, huh? Yeah.
You see?
Yeah, I say that I'm beginning to love you. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna teach you English language, Queen's English. You understand from there? I'm gonna teach you American English, huh?
Ew.
You will
So
understand.
begin.
Oh.
Gimana
Yeah, you good.
I love you.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you.
Yeah, sing with you, man. Oh.